In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change skins in Phighting Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Just like fighting on PC or any other platform, you can change skins for any of your fighters in mobile. So what you have to do is when you are in the lobby or inside of a match, go into the fighter select screen. So usually you will tap here to change your fighter, and now select a specific one that you would like to see all of your skins for. Now, if you look under the name of the fighter, you will see the difficulty and then this text, swipe left or right to change skins. So all that you have to do is swipe left or right on the actual fighter name. Now, I sadly don't have any skins on my account, but you can clearly notice that it is trying to swap skins. So if you did have multiple skins, as soon as you swiped left or right, it would change into the other one that you have. So for example, I have sword base, and then by swiping, I would see the next one that I have unlocked. If you have multiple skins, you will keep swiping until you reach the desired one. And this will work for any fighter that you have. You simply highlight them. Once you see their name, you swipe left and right, and the skin will be equipped. Once you have the corresponding skin equipped that you want to use, just tap on them again to spawn, and you will spawn in with the new skin. It is simple to do, and it works for mobile specifically, so the controls are going to be adjusted. If you have a keyboard connected, you also are able to do this, but you press A and D instead to actually change the skins. But for mobile specifically, you will be swiping on the character name towards the left or towards the right to change between all of the skins that you might have available. Simple to do, and it should work flawlessly. Now, if this video helped you, please consider subscribing. Something that I noticed when I went to check the channel metrics the other day is that 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe to our channel, you can help us bring you high quality videos and solutions to your problems, so consider subscribing. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.